Okay, what's up you guys? Today I'm going to show you how to view and control your iPod Touch on your computer through Wi-Fi. The first thing you're going to need to do is go into Cydia and download and install these two things. The first thing you're going to need is VEENCY, VEENCY. This requires a respring, so it might be better to first install VSFTPD and then install VNC, because then that way you don't have to go back into City and everything. But whatever. You just have to have those two things installed on your iPod. Now what you need to have is this thing called TIGHTVNC viewer. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this URL. I'll put it in the description because I'm pretty sure you guys aren't going to want to type that whole thing out. Go ahead and copy it into your address bar and go to the website. When it comes up, it should automatically have your download should automatically pop up. So all you have to do is run it or save it. It doesn't really matter. You're just gonna have to make sure you run the setup wizard. It should take a couple seconds. My computer's being slow because of the screen recorder I'm using here, right here. Go ahead and save it or whatever. I'm not going to. I already have it all set up. So just run the install process. If it asks you to install other things, just skip through it. It doesn't matter. Just go ahead and keep on hitting next. And then so when you're done with that and you installed it, you have to go to your programs, go to TIGHTVNC, and there should be a thing called TIGHTVNC Viewer. Go ahead and just click on that. Now a little box should appear, and it's going to ask for your VNC server. There might be a number already in there. It might be right, but most likely it wouldn't. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go onto your iPod, go ahead and click Settings. When that opens up, you have to go to Wi-Fi, and then you have to click the little arrow next to your router. Your IP address is the first entry, and it says IP address right next to it, so it's pretty obvious. So that number right there, 192.168.1.2, all you have to do now is just go into the little box and type that in. You might have to respring. Sometimes like it won't work, so I have to quickly respring. I'm gonna go ahead and click connect. That'll pop up. And now you have to wait. And like I said, sometimes you have to respring, so if this isn't gonna work the first time, I'm gonna respring and then try it. It should work fine. I probably should have respring before, but it's probably gonna come up with an error message, so let's go ahead and let it do that. Here we go, failed to connect to server. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and respring or reboot, it doesn't really matter. If I can click the button, there we go. So now it's just going to quickly respring. I'm going to go back into TIGHTVNC viewer. Wait for it to open up. Okay, see, now my iPod's back up, so now I'm going to click connect. Now this time it should give me a little pop-up on my iPod. Here we go, saying remote access request, accept connection from, and then it says an IP address. Go ahead and click accept. Now here it is. This is your iPod. You can go ahead and click on stuff. Here we go. Go ahead and click on iPod. It opens up the iPod app, all my songs. There we go. And that's pretty much it. It's a little laggy. I'm not sure if it's still beta or if it's just like that because it's using Wi-Fi. I think it's just because it's not completely finished software, because I have a decent router, so I don't see why. And there you go. To go home, just right click And then that's pretty much it. Please comment and rate, and thanks for watching.